Absolutely on my list to do. I've heard some amazing things about it. People are saying it's one of the best collections in the world, if not the best collection in the world of cricket memorabilia. So I absolutely intend to go to visit it in the very near future.
What are the biggest highlights of the Shyam Bhatia Cricket Awards? Also, the awards are being given by a legend. What effect do you think this has on the recipients?
I think that's absolutely right, and the list of people that have actually presented these awards over the last 14 years is absolute legends from the game going back for the last 20 or 30 years. That is an inspiration to the people that are receiving those awards, particularly the young people that we've seen this evening who have picked the awards up for their age group performances and contributions as well. I know from personal experience those interactions with your stars, your legends at a very early age influenced my cricket, so I'm sure that this will have an influence for them as well.
Lastly, your comments on cricket for charity. Mr. Shyam Bhatia has been doing this through Cricket for Care. What are your thoughts on those?
Well, it's fantastic. As I said earlier, he's a very philanthropic individual. He's got cricket at heart. He's very passionate about the game, and clearly he wants the benefit of cricket to be taken far and wide. And there are lots of needy people all around the world, and he's recognised that and is supporting it in a brilliant way. And I think it's a fantastic initiative from him. Absolutely. Thank you. Pleasure.
I know Shyam Bhatia for a long time, maybe more than 22 years. When I used to play cricket, I think it's not just 22 years, but much before that. And since then, we became very close friends. And whenever I come here, I always go to his house. Whenever they come to Pakistan, they come to us. We have mutual friends like Sunil Gavaskar, Ravi Shastri, and in Pakistan, if he knows those guys, whom I know them very well also. They are all my friends. So he's sort of a family friend of mine.
Tell us your opinion about tonight's awards.
Yeah, I mean, I must say that giving awards to youngsters and encouraging them, it's a very good idea. And as you know that he's been doing it for the past 14 years. And he's serving the cricket in UAE. It's a great support which he is giving to youngsters to encourage them. And of course, if he will keep on doing this, it will become an international award soon. And if ICC will recognize these kind of awards, so obviously that will become international. But I'm hoping for the best that he should keep on doing it every year, and because they need youngsters, they need support from their performance, and he's been doing it.
These awards seem to be great for the youngsters, especially when they receive it from a legend of cricket like yourself.
Of course, because when we were playing, they heard our name and they know our performances. And today when they will go back to their home and they will be talking, and their father will be telling them who was Zahir Abbas, because their fathers must have seen me playing, and they all get inspired by giving the performance by the legends. So today, when I was called for this, I was really happy to come, and I always say for cricket, I would love to come and to give all these kind of awards, not just awards, but whatever cricketing need from any legends or any test players, and I'm always will be there.
Tell us something about the museum.
Museum is beautiful. I mean, it's amazing. It's a lot of hard work being put in there, and if nobody has seen that museum, they must go and see. It's a piece of art, I must.
Lastly, Cricket for Charity. Mr. Shyam Bhatia has been doing it through Cricket for Care. What are your thoughts on it?
He's been contributing all over the world, mostly all the. Sometimes he's going to Sri Lanka, sometimes to Pakistan, sometimes to India, and maybe a few other countries also. it's a great support for youngsters that somebody is providing all the kit for youngsters to play, whom they cannot afford. So it's a great service.
Thank you.
Thank you.